Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy content that's clear and actually helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I share videos you can really use. Let's get started.
Ever wish you could have two separate Gmail apps on your Android phone? One for work, one for personal, without constantly switching accounts? You totally can. Many Android phones include a handy feature that lets you duplicate apps. This creates a second, independent version of the Gmail app. Here's how to set it up. Start by opening your phone settings. Now, look for a feature that clones or duplicates apps. The name changes depending on your phone brand. On Samsung phones, it's usually called Dual Messenger. For Xiaomi or OnePlus, you might find it as a Dual Apps or a App Cloner. Other brands might use Twin Apps or Parallel Apps. Just search for Dual or Clone in your settings if you can't find it right away. Once you locate this feature, tap on it. You'll see a list of compatible apps. Find a Gmail in this list. Simply toggle the switch next to Gmail to enable it. Your phone will then create a new, second Gmail app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. This new icon typically has a small symbol, like a double circle or a chain link, to show it's the cloned version. Now you have two distinct Gmail apps. Open the newly created cloned app. It will behave like a brand new installation. Go ahead and sign in with your second Gmail account. Your original Gmail app will continue to run with your first account, completely unaffected. This setup keeps your accounts entirely separate. No more logging in and out. It's perfect for managing different aspects of your digital life efficiently. Some advanced users might also use Android's built-in work profile feature for similar separation, but the app cloner is often simpler for this specific need.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.